How is your crave in this time? How you dealing with quarantine? Sure, we're Alexandria. Checked out another delivery service, fast food. Today I'm going to order KFC, one of my favorite menu of the KFC list from 7K Hop. Crave. All you need to do, go in your Hop store or your Play Store and download 7KRAVE. Here's the Hop. I've downloaded it. Click on it and open it. Wow, there's so much restaurants here. So now I'm going to order. Click on the KFC app. Big deal, meal deal, zinger, barbecue zinger, family 9-piece, 10-piece, hot wings, corn. Alright. So I will be ordering a big deal. Click on a big deal. And click on my cart. And here is the specific. Original, hot and spicy, barbecued. Originally, I would take one of each, but the app doesn't give me that option. So I'll take hot and spicy, and I'll take rib, breast and leg, and I'll take my favorite drink, which is ginger beer. Once I'm done, I click on my shopping cart here. So I click on the shopping cart up here, and it asks me which currency I'll pay in, if it's in US. So if it's in US, it's $6.79, $6.79, sorry. This is in Jamaica, it is $815. So all I need to do now is swipe So here my order went up to $1,365 because of service charge. $550 for service charge. Here say thank you for your order. So book my order, history, set sent, estimated time. So they have this little tracker, so you can see from sent, confirm, pick up. So now all I have to do is wait for 30 minutes to 45 minutes for the food. This is a great chance to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. A really large portion of our viewers have not subscribed to the channel. So take a quick second to click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. You definitely don't want to miss any of them. Let's get back. It is rather marvelous to see a car pulled up with your delivery. Instead of a bike, could have been the norm, because we used to see bike delivery as a bike go faster through traffic. But I have guessed because of 7K, the vast majority of people that is ordering, it is limited to bike operators. So instead, people use cars. After such a brief encounter with outside, it's best for you to wash your hand with protective soap from germs. Right here, I have my Protex. Make sure you wash your hand for a full 20 seconds in all directions. Make sure you get that bacteria off, away from COVID-19. Once you're hard and clean. So I was going to sanitize if it was a plastic bag, but bear in mind this is a paper, so I can't sanitize the paper. I don't think germs is going to stick on paper. But anyway, I will wash off the soda. I won't soap it up, but I will just wash it off with normal. Remember, we are fighting bacteria from COVID-19, so it's best to keep safe and clean. So this right here is 7KRAVE, delivered directly to me. Anyway, it is in here. So let's partake. This is the drinks. First of all, I get the round drinks. You know how to think. Yeah, that's happened sometime. Anyway, so the box is sealed. That is good to know. So nobody heat up my food before it reach here. It's good. Okay. KFC. One big deal. Get standard plastic fork. I get 2 ketchup. 2 pouch of ketchup. Okay. And I get 1 straw. Alright. So I also get fries. And 3 yummy chicken. So this is the leg. This is the breast. Leg. And I think this is the ribs. So okay, let's talk about 7K while we're eating. 7K is the local app in Jamaica. Just download the app on your phone. Look for the specific restaurant that you want. You have more than one restaurant, so look for the specific restaurant that you want. Order your food. Go to the process. Your address, credit card, online wallet, or cash. Let's try breast, chicken. Let's try the leg. So once again, thanks to 7KRAVE, thanks to the delivery guys, and thank you for watching.